Okay, this is just going to be me telling you a little bit about the Simrex X300C drone. First of all, I've never owned a drone before. I'm a drone rookie. I've never flown a drone before, but I kind of wanted to get into it, so I figured this would be a good one to start because I got it on Amazon for 40 bucks. So if I crash it, I'm not out that much money. But here's what it came with. Here's the box. Got a little extended warranty card here. I haven't done that yet. There's the drone itself. As you can see, it's pretty damn tiny. In here you got the charger, the propeller guards, I guess you'd call them, some extra propellers. And then here is the remote. So like I said, this thing is pretty tiny. That's my hand. That's where it goes. The battery is right here. Just kind of slides out. It didn't come with an extra battery, and I'm having difficulty finding one on Amazon. They do sell them, but they're out of stock right now, so I'm kind of waiting for that. Anyways, the charger for it is right here, if you can see it. Just plugs in there, slides right in here like this. The charger for this, the controller, is right there. This also holds on to your cell phone, and you can download an app, which means you can control the drone by the cell phone, or you can use the app to take photos or videos of the drone. The drone does have a camera. It's right there, right on the front. It's only a 720, but you know, for 40 bucks, what do you expect? Anyways, these all pop out like this, and that's it, fully extended. These just slap right on, pretty simple. Put on the bottom of them, and there it is. It's pretty much ready to fly right there. You turn it on by pushing and holding down on this button right here, right in the middle. Turn on the remote by this right there. I'll fly it in just a second. But like I said, for 40 bucks, you can't beat that. All you need to do is get an extra battery somewhere, and I'll try to find one. And if I do locate a spot where I can find those batteries, I will attach it to the bottom of this video. But I'll come back and fly it in a second. So, like I said, I'm a rookie at this. I have flown it, but only like 2 times right now. But I'm going to show you how easy it is to fly for someone who's never even done this before. So if you're looking for a good starter drone, I kind of recommend this one. But here it is a little bit. So to get the propellers going, you just push this, probably can't see it here, top button right there. And then you slide this slider up and down to make the drone go up and down. This one left and right to make it bank left and right. And then for the rest of it, you guys can just read the controls. The instructions are pretty simple to follow. But here we go. You can spin it around. So as you can see, it's pretty easy to fly, even for people that have never flown one before. The only thing I did find that it's very small and very light. So if there's any kind of wind outside, you're fighting that the whole time. The wind will take it with almost no breeze at all. It'll blow it all around. So you kind of have to fight that a little bit. I did fly it in my living room and it worked great in there because there was no wind, and you can get used to it pretty quick. It does other tricks, like it flips and does forward flips and backward flips and sideways flips and a bunch of other stuff that I haven't figured out yet. But the main thing is, if you want a cheap drone, if you're just getting into it and you want something that's easy to learn how to fly, I recommend this. You can't beat the price.